Google rejected my AdSense account because of this simple mistake that I'm going to show you in this video. And never you make this mistake if you want to earn money from YouTube. In my previous video on how to create AdSense account, I made a mistake which made AdSense to disapprove my application. So in this video, I decided to share with you guys the mistake I made and how I was able to correct it and get my AdSense account approved by Google. Now, in that video, as of when I got 4,000 hours of watch time, which I already gotten 1,000 subscribers as of January, in that video, I explained to you guys how to create AdSense account. But the mistake I made was I created my AdSense account through my YouTube channel. As of when I got to 4,000 hours of watch time, my YouTube channel changed and they asked me to add my AdSense account or to create a fresh one so that my videos can now be monetized. But I made a mistake by creating it through my YouTube channel, which made my AdSense account to be disapproved. Now, I got to 4,000 hours of watch time on the 15th of March 2023. Now, on the 16th, I had to create my AdSense account through my YouTube channel. But the mistake was that while I was creating my AdSense account through my YouTube channel, I could not see any option where they asked for websites. Now, when I created that AdSense account, I submitted it on the 16th, and on the 21st, I got an email from AdSense, and this is the email I got, which was like after 4 or 5 days. And this email reads, you guys can see here, thank you for your interest in AdSense. After reviewing your application, our specialists have found that it does not meet our program criteria. Therefore, we are unable to accept you into our program. Now, when I got this message, I went to my YouTube channel. I realized that there was an error on that particular section. So, which means my AdSense was rejected. But in this video, I'm going to share with you guys how I was able to solve this particular problem. Now, my advice to those of you that are watching this video that have not gotten to 1,000 or 4,000 hours of watch time, before you get to 4,000 hours of watch time, make sure you create your AdSense account by just going to Google and type create AdSense account. When you click on create AdSense account, it's going to bring so many options to you. Here, you can go to Google AdSense, earn money from website monetization, which I am going to put a link in this video in case for those of you that would like to access this link. Okay, now when you get here, click on get started. The major problem that made them to disapprove my account was because I did not put a website. Okay, I tried to put a website of my online store, but it was declined as well because it did not end with .com, .org, .net. Okay, so once you click on that link, which I'm going to put in the description below this video, so that those of you that would like to create an AdSense account will just access the website directly. Now, select the email that you want to use to create that AdSense account, which is this. Okay, I'm not going to use this particular email because I've used it previously, so I'm going to go back and then copy this link. Let me go to a new browser, okay, and put this link. It's going to take me down to that website. Click on get started, and once you click on get started, select the email that you want to use to open this account. So let me select one of this email. Let me just show you guys. You can see this is the major problem I had. Your site, okay? I did not put a website while I created my AdSense account through my YouTube channel because there was no an option for me to put a website. But later on, when I got that error, I had to follow these steps and now put a website. For those of you that don't have a website, I am going to explain to you how you can get a website. So let me show you guys. Now, go to a new browser and type blogger.com. Blogger.com is a Google service that will allow you to get a website of your own that ends with .com or a real website domain. Here you have to create your blog. click on create your blog, select the email you want to use, which is the same email for your YouTube channel. You can also use another email, but I will advise you to use the same email with your YouTube channel. So put a title, Mr. and click on next. Now you can see it has brought out another page. Choose a URL for your blog. Now you have to put a URL, whatever name you want your blog to answer. You don't need to post on this blog. You don't need to have any content on this blog, but you just have to provide a domain that ends with .com. So after going through this process, put whatever name and it's going to end with blogspot.com, and follow these steps. You're going to create a website for yourself. You might not even have any picture or any write-up or any video on the website, but at the end of the day, after creating it, you have to submit it in this point, okay, where it's asking for your website address. Okay, so from there you can submit your website domain and fill every other information and create your AdSense. I will advise most of you, once you're getting to 4,000 hours of watch time, once you're close, create an AdSense before you get to 4,000 hours of watch time, so that while your YouTube has been approved for you to earn, you can just fill all the information and all that. So after submitting that, I did that again on the 16th and I got rejected. I got the email on the 21st. Now on that same 21st, I had to open this AdSense account and added it to my YouTube channel. And on the 23rd, I got this email from YouTube. Okay, this is the email I got from YouTube, which came on the 23rd of March, which is just like 2 days. So you guys can see you did it. Hustle money online. You have been accepted into the YouTube partner program, which means you can now earn money from your content and take advantage of additional benefits like expanded copyright protection tools and access to our creator support team. Start earning by turning on monetization feature in YouTube Studio. So when I get to my YouTube, you can see, congratulations, you have been accepted into the YouTube partner program. You can now monetize your videos and access support. So if you go to earn, I'm going to walk you guys through this. I've not been through this. If you go to earn, you will notice that all the features has now been approved. So I can now earn. You guys can see watch page ads, earn from ads, and YouTube premium on the watch page. Short feeds, you can still earn from short feeds. Supers, engage with fans who show support through one-time interactive purchases. Okay, so I'm going to go through this now. Monetize video. Okay, let me click on monetize video. Let me see what it's going to bring out for me. I've not actually done this before. This is actually my first time, and I want to walk you guys through while I am setting up my channel for monetization. So I think this is not working. I have to cancel and go back to earn. And the very first one I'm going to do is watch page ads, which is my videos. Click on it, get started. That's taking me to watch page ads, earn from ads, and YouTube premium on the watch page. Turn it on. Okay, so you have to go through all this, okay, and agree to this and accept and next. Review your ad default. Next. Monetize your existing videos. Monetize all. Okay, so see my analytics. Okay, now scroll down. I'm still on 0.00. Okay, I'm just doing this for now. Let's scroll down. So let's go to research And let's go to content. Let me check my video content. You can see all this has now been turned on because I said monetize all video. You can see all these things has now been changed. $sign on. All my videos has now been turned on. Updating videos is safe to navigate away. Wait before making another bulk update. All right, so you can see all my videos. There's $sign on all my videos. So from now, the ads that are popping up on my video, I can now earn some little money from the ads. This video is being monetized. You can click on here. You can still turn it off, but I am leaving all my videos on so that I can make money from the ads that are being showed on my video. So guys, before you get to 4,000 hours of watch time, I will advise you guys to make sure you create an AdSense account and wait before you get to 4,000 hours of watch time so that your AdSense will be approved. But I am quite surprised that even some people told me that it takes up to 1 month. Even YouTube told me that it takes up to a month before they will review your account and before your account will be approved for monetization. But I'm quite surprised that I submitted my AdSense on the 21st, which is the official day I got it right, and on the 23rd, which is 21st, 22nd, 23rd, which is like 2 days, and my channel monetization was approved. So I will now watch this channel in the next 1 week and see how much I am going to earn. If I'm going to earn up to $3 or $4 or $5, depending on the number of views that comes to this channel. So guys, I just want to make this video so that you guys will understand that creating AdSense from your YouTube channel when you get to 4,000 hours of watch time might not be helpful. It's better you create your AdSense account and wait for your channel to get to 4,000 hours of watch time so that when it gets to 4,000 hours of watch time, your AdSense is already approved and waiting for you to add the email for your AdSense or add your AdSense account to your YouTube channel so that you will start earning. So I hope this video was helpful, and don't forget the reason why this wasn't approved was because I did not see an option to put my website address while I was creating it through my YouTube channel. But when you do it directly from the link, which I'm going to put in the description below this video, your AdSense account will be approved. Or you just need to put your AdSense account in your YouTube channel once you get to 4,000 hours of watch time, and the videos in your channel start earning you some money. So let me just try and go back to the end. I have not done this. You can see active. This one is active. Short. I actually don't create shorts on my channel. Supers. I have not done this. I will still do this later, but I just want to show you guys the mistake I make so that most of you will not make the same mistake. So this is all I have for you in this video. If this video was helpful to you guys in any way, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Asuken Kingsley, and on this channel I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant tips that helps in our daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates on new games and apps in the virtual reality space. So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my videos, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and make sure the notification button is turned on so that you'll be the first to know once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed.